Hello, everybody. I'm Leo.
And I'm Marie.
And we are the Traveling Lovebirds.
So, do you remember Job Lot was big and then it closed and some reopened and we're going to check it out. We only got one around here. It's called what now? Ocean State Job Lot.
Ocean State, yeah.
Yeah.
So we found one.
Yeah, we'll check it out.
But you know what? It wasn't there something else. It was called, there was Job Lot and there was
Odd Lot.
Odd Lot, yeah. So I don't think there's many of these around.
No.
So if you know of one that's in yours, leave it in the comment. Yeah. We're interested to know.
Let's check it out.
But we're going to go see what they have. I remember they always had a lot of goodies in there. Mm-hmm. So let's go see what's going on in there.
All right.
Here we go.
Come on.
Okay, let's see. Oh, what do we got here? This is nice. Patio rugs. 9x15, $60. That ain't bad. Oh, they got 9x12, 9x9, $40. Wow, look at the difference in 9 foot and a 7.5 foot. $65.35 for the umbrellas. It's nice. Look at this. Good.
That did not sound good.
You want to plant some seeds for me? Cucumbers.
Look at the cool stuff. They got bulbs.
What do you mean? Oh, they got that. They do have the shock. And how much is the shock? Wow, $59.99. If anybody has a pool.
Clothes, outdoor stuff. Just keep telling me. Weed control stuff. We need that.
A lot of gardening and summer stuff I see.
Look at the kayaks. Boogie boards.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. So I guess this is the seasonal section, like bathing suits and... Look at the kayaks. I didn't expect to see this here. No prices, though. Wow. These, we make, Marie said she used to make these. $12. Oh, I like this, Marie. Look at this. Marie, look. $10. Well, you put it outside. They got a lot of barrels. Where? Oh, yeah. $9.99. Yeah, it's very like cluttered too. Oh, look at the little greenhouse here. $35. 4 shelves if anybody wants a little greenhouse. Oh, see, now here's all the outdoor stuff too. Wow. What?
$199, get 199 crazy if you
I don't know. Yeah, these are the spinners. They're how much are they? Wow, $99, $199, $179. I didn't think they were that expensive. Wow. 99 bucks. Is that what this is? But it says what? Free after crazy deal for insiders only. What's that mean? I mean, the citronella candles. I think we got a couple, Marina, we didn't even use last year. Because we bought them and we hardly sat outside last year. Wind chimes. What's that? $19.99. Oh, here's a little one. $4.99. Oh, you can tell we're getting into the summer. Look at all the air conditions. And the grill stuff. Yeah. Well, it's the summer. For kids. Cookbooks? Cookbooks, you said? Oh, coloring books.
It says cookbooks.
Oh, yeah, Disney cookbooks for kids. Yeah, you're right.
Cute outdoors.
Yeah. Wow, it's loaded with all, there's all kinds of stuff here. Yeah. Yeah. For how many? For 80. I never heard of Victor Allen's. Did you? Well, look at this. You see how they do it? They just open up the box, make a hole in it, and throw it on the shelf. Makes it easier. It's neat, too. You just throw it right on the shelf. The whole place is like that. A lot of different types of coffees, Mary. Look. Here's 42 for 15. $15.99. What do you see here? The jams and jellies? Raw honey. Oh, I don't see anything that's like really good buys. But oh, they got
this little bag.
They got wow. Yeah. Yeah, they are. I guess, where are they from? You know? Yeah. They got air fryer liners. 50 pack for $3.99. And you just throw them away. That's a good idea. That's actually a good idea. Because we just bought the one that's it's like silicone, but you got to keep washing it instead of throwing it away. I think that's better. No, we had those throwaway ones, Marie, are probably better. Ah, so like this is the hardware section now. Oh, then we got clothes on the side. Shirts. $58. Oh, look at this. Look at the clocks. Wow, that's an old timer, Marie. Remember this? And I always saw that in kitchens, like back in the day. Yeah, here's a lot of like pillows. Yeah, there's a lot of. Yeah, I'll tell you what, there is a variety of stuff though. Memory foam pillows. $15, that's not bad. The bamboo ones. I don't like them. We had gotten the bamboo, and that the smell of the bamboo gave me a headache.
A free porn store.
Oh, look at that.
That's actually cute.
That is cute. For our birds. But we don't have that little tube-like one. Yeah.
Home goods, cleaning supplies.
$22 for that big bag. These are bird houses. They got oh, look at the dog toys. Marie, look at this one. Rosé Sparkle. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, there's a whole bunch of different ones here. Look at this. Got ibuprofens, all kinds of Alka-Seltzers. And they just open up the box, throw it on the shelf. It cracks me up. Oh, wow, look at that. It says Walgreens. Isn't that weird, huh? All right, so what'd you think?
It was good. It was like a regular discount store. It is a good one-stop shopping place, you know.
I wasn't that impressed.
But yeah, the prices were similar to any discount store. They got some good deals.
Yeah.
So this crazy deals, buy any crazy deal item and get a crazy deal gift card back for free. If you want to find out more information, we did show that. We thought it was like a clearance section.
Can you see that?
And scan that code.
Yeah, there's a code on the bottom.
And then,
I could put it up here if you want.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the sale. There's a lot of sale items. Yeah. So they do have a little sale paper.
Yeah.
And
little prom dresses for $20. Nothing great.
Really?
You know?
Oh, dresses for 20. Oh, no kidding.
Yeah.
It is
Or
prom
first walked
season.
in, yeah.
Oh, $20. Hey, some people might go for it.
You know, like I said, it's a good little store.
Because that's, you know what, you wear it one time, these kids wear it one time, and then they leave it in the closet or throw it away.
Yeah.
But there's like patio umbrellas.
Outside stuff.
A lot of outside
Everything.
stuff.
It's kind of everything. Hardware, food.
Air conditioning, fans. Oh, they even have like HBC area too. Health and beauty
I told you I got my Dove from there. That was a good price.
Yeah.
You
Did
know,
it ring up $4.99? So Marie got this Dove, and it was a big sign there saying that.
And it's a big size.
Yeah, it's the big size. That Walmart sells it for $14.99.
Yeah.
So they took $10 off, according to them. What is it, expired? No, it can't be,
No,
right?
it's not expired.
And you want to know something else? Like, I saw some Walgreens stuff in there.
Yeah.
So I guess maybe they must get, like, stuff that's overloaded from other places, too. But, I don't know. It's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
But, you know what?
Listen, if I lived closer,
Yeah. And it was big.
it was big.
So the girl was telling us that it used to be called
Odd Lot.
Odd Lot. You
Which remember they all
We
went
had
out of
said
business,
that in the
not
beginning.
Job Lot.
Right.
And there's another one in Freehold she knows of, and another one in Somerville, in New Jersey.
In New Jersey. It originated in Rhode Island,
Yeah,
she
she said
said.
there's a lot of.
And I got a kick out of they just rip open the box, make a little window in the box, and put it on the shelf.
Yep.
I thought that was good. That would, you know what? That might save some
Save some time.
labor and everything
yeah.
else. I don't know, but
Keeping
it
the
makes
cost
it
down.
easier, and it keeps everything uniformed.
Yeah.
You know. And the other thing she was telling us that, what did she say?
You
that,
could sign up for a discount card, but nothing I purchased was discount, and I hate to get more emails than I get. So
I know we don't really come down this far.
No.
We'll probably there isn't one close to us. I don't see it.
no, but while you're driving, and if there's one by you, it really isn't bad. It's just not like super discounted, but normal prices. It's okay. It's almost like reminded me of a Christmas tree store, which those are gone as well.
Yeah.
The Odd Lots, same thing. It really did remind me of an Odd Lot. So
Well, that's what
so we got a Job
I think.
Lot.
It's the same thing, but they just changed the name.
Yeah, Ocean State.
And this used to be an A&P. I remember that. It was an A&P supermarket
This
here
is Barnegat, New Jersey.
in Barnegat. Yeah.
So listen, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Ring that notification bell. Leave us a comment below. Subscribe, please. It costs you nothing. It helps us content, and we really appreciate it, and become part of the Featherbird family.
The YouTube fam.
Yeah. And everyone stay well. God bless. We love you. Mwah.
See you in the next memory. TLB out. What a day. It's the place to be. Shine like the sun. What a day.